Buongiorno a tutti. I hope you had a wonderful week. And I just want to check in with you and to tell you about my week, my learning week, and share with you some insights, some thoughts that I had while studying Italian. First of all, I started the advanced Neurolanguage course, and as usual it brought a lot of new insights and insights into the brain and in learning. So you can say that by learning Italian I'm being my own guinea pig, learning and seeing firsthand how it is to learn a new language from zero, how learning affects your brain, and if there is any learning that is brain friendly or not brain friendly. In my Italian learning, I continued with Busu and I also continued with Michel Thomas. And something that I was thinking is that Busu is more like a structured learning, because you have your certain lessons. You know that by finishing these lessons you are going to get to the certain level, and it gives you all the necessary grammar and vocabulary, and sort of expects you to learn all of these words. And in a way it's good, because it's structured. You know where you're starting, where you want to finish. The only problem is, now I look back at all the words that I've learned, and maybe I know half of them. At that time, when I actually learned them, I did all the exercises with them and I knew how to use them in the sentences, but now with the time passing, I just forget. So Busu has a review program and I use it and I like it, but it's just, it's hard to remember all the words, honestly. Whereas Michel Thomas method is, there is no structure to it. I feel it's more like spontaneous. It teaches you basically basic words and how to use them in a conversation without explaining so much grammar rules. And I feel that language learning should be both. In our neurolanguage coaching, we have two types of learning, two types of goals that we set. Mechanical goals, or grammar goals, and mastery goals, or fluency goals. So the effective learning, it should be a combination of both. Structured learning, mechanical goals, grammar, necessary vocabulary, explanations, and mastery goals, just speaking, just making mistakes and learning on the go. Being fluent just by speaking. One thing that I thought it was strange and it was interesting, one day when I opened my Busu, and you know, I take notes of all the words that I've learned, and I knew that I was supposed to be on lesson 6. So I opened Busu and it shows me that I'm supposed to do lesson 15. And so I was like, no, I need to go to lesson 6. So I go to lesson 6 and then I see that the material that is in lesson 6, I already passed. So I go to lesson 7. No, I did that too. And my new material was actually in lesson 15. I was surprised, I didn't understand. I said, oh, okay, well, let's do it. And then I looked in general on the outline of a A2 level, and before, last week actually also, I told you that it had only 16 lessons, but now I can see it has like a 46 or 47. So somehow before, all the lessons, they were grouped into like lessons of 3, but now they expanded them. And now I have 46 lessons to go. Of course, I do 3 or 4 lessons in a day to try to keep up. But I don't know if it was an update or it's done intentionally. Maybe in the beginning they tell you, hey, A2 is only 16 lessons. You can do it. Don't give up. But then once you're like a third into it, they were like, actually, they're not just 16 lessons, they're 40-something lessons. But anyways, it's the same material, but it's different perception of lessons and of learning. Again, I don't know if it's intentionally or it's just how it is. With Michel Thomas, I thought, well, I have my laptop here, so I thought, why not? Let me give you another demonstration of what the Michel Thomas method is.
Expression that is used a lot in Italian is secondo me. Secondo meaning according to me.
Secondo me. Actually, I learned that from Busso. Secondo me.
As far as I'm concerned, the way I'm thinking, secondo me.
Secondo me.
Secondo me.
Secondo me.
So if you want to ask for an opinion, according to you would be
secondo lei.
Secondo lei. Right.
Secondo lei.
Secondo lei.
Secondo lei.
To think is pensare.
Pensare. Pensare.
Pensare. To be pensive.
Pensive, like in Harry Potter, Professor Dumbledore had this pensive where he used to put all the thoughts. So pensive, pensare.
I think would be
Penso.
penso.
I was supposed to pause, but it's just I didn't manage. Yes, penso, penso.
I don't think.
Non penso.
Non penso.
Non penso. What do you think?
Che pensa?
Cosa?
Cosa? Cosa? Yes, cosa pensa? I'm not sure actually. What's the difference between che and cosa?
Cosa pensa?
Yes, what's more?
Cosa pensa?
Cosa? Cosa pensa? We don't think.
We don't think. Non pensamo. Non pensamo. Noi non pensiamo.
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 Pensiamo. Okay.
So for we, yeah.
Okay, so penso, pensa, pensiamo.
Amo. Non pensiamo.
Non pensiamo.
Pensare is also used for thinking forward or planning. So if you want to say, I plan on leaving, I plan to leave or I plan on leaving would be
Penso di partire.
right. Penso
So, di
partire.
penso di partire. Like I'm thinking of doing this, like I'm going to do something, I guess.
How long you plan on staying?
Che tempo pensa stare? Che tempo pensa stare?
Tempo. Pensa di stare.
Right.
Okay, pensa di stare. Okay, oh, I forgot pensa di
Quanto
stare.
tempo pensa di stare? To hope is esperare.
Esperare. No, it's like Romanian, speranza. Esperare.
The opposite of despair, sperare.
Ah,
So I
sperare.
hope would be
Spero.
Spero.
what's more?
Spero. Spero.
Spero.
Spero.
Spero. Which is also used for like to expect to do something. So I So I expect to leave soon would be
I expect, like I hope. Spero. I'm not sure which form I'm supposed to use here. Spero di no.
Spero di partire,
Partire.
subito.
Ah,
subito.
okay.
Subito.
Ok, spero di partire subito. Ok, spero, I hope, di partire subito.
spero di partire. At what time
A che ora?
do you expect to arrive?
La che ora? Spera. I forgot how to say arrive. Oh, course, this flies. Forgot.
At what hour?
A che ora?
A che tempo? No, a che ora?
A che
A che
ora?
ora?
At what time is at what hour? A che ora
A che ora?
Che
do
ora?
you expect to arrive?
Aspetta.
Do you hope to arrive?
A che ora
Ora.
spera di to arrive, di arrivare.
Right.
Di arrivare. Okay, I don't think we've learned that. But sometimes Michel Thomas, that's what he does. He tells you something and you're supposed to figure out from all the words that you know. Yeah. So a che ora spera di arrivare.
A che ora spera di arrivare?
Di arrivare.
So again, what is I want?
Vorrei or voglio.
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 Yes.
O desidero.
Right.
Desidero. Yes, we
So,
learned that one
I
too.
want to stay
Desidero.
here would be
Voglio stare qui.
Desidero di stare
What's
qui.
wrong?
Desidero di stare qui.
Desidero what?
Oh, desidero stare qui.
Right. Desidero stare qui. Or, instead of desidero,
Voglio,
Voglio
stare.
stare qui. Voglio stare qui.
or I would like.
Vorrei stare.
Vorrei stare qui.
Vorrei stare qui. Or, it would please me to stay here.
Mi piace.
Mi piace stare qui.
Mi piace stare qui.
Mi piace stare qui. I like to stay here.
Oh,
I don't remember.
And it would please me.
mi
Mi piace.
piacerebbe.
Right.
Okay, that one. Yes, these are the conditionals. I don't seem to get them. It's just I don't know. It's just all these endings that. Okay, mi piacerebbe. Da, mi piacerebbe sta qui. Mi piacerebbe sta qui.
Beh,
Stare qui.
right. Mi
Piacerebbe
piacerebbe
stare qui. Mi piacerebbe stare
All
qui.
this clear?
No, I guess not to me. Not to me. Anyways, I think I'll have to probably listen to it again and do it again. But that's the beauty. You can listen as many times and you can review as many times. That's what probably I'll be doing over the next week. And I just want to wish you also to progress in whatever language you are learning. And remember that learning doesn't have to be just from books or from courses. You can improve your English or any other language by listening to music or by watching movies and taking notes, not necessarily written notes, can be even mental notes of the new words. That's all for this week. I wish you to have a wonderful week and see you next week. I think I'll be doing it once a week. Have a wonderful day. Ciao!